hope you are great. You are welcome back to my tutorial, and if you are new on this channel, you are highly welcome. You are on the right side. You are welcome. Don't forget to click the red button down below as to notify you as I will be uploading my new videos. For today's tutorial, we are going to cut an off-shoulder sleeve. Off-shoulder sleeve is very, very easy to cut. So sit back and watch from the beginning to the end. So to start with, these are the material I will be using: my cut ruler, my scissors, my marker, and my tape measure. And what are the measurements you will need for this tutorial? You will need your upper chest measurement and your round shoulder measurement. So my round shoulder measurement is, measure it this way. This is your round shoulder measurement. This is how to measure it. And your upper chest as well. Measure it this way. Here, your upper chest. Measure it like so. And what you are going to do with the two measurements is you are going to subtract one from the other. And what you get from the subtraction, you are going to put it here. And that's what I'm going to do. That's why I'm not using my own. I'm not going to use my customer's own. So that's what I want to use. And round shoulder measurement is 37. Upper chest is 31. So 37 minus 31 will give us 6 inches. And I'm going to place my 6 inches this way. This is my 6 inches here. And the bust measurement we are working with is 35. So what we are going to do, we are not going to divide 35 by 4, but we are dividing it by 12. And when I did my home there for my customer, so I got 2.9. So I round it up to 3 inches, and I added half inch seam allowance to it, so making 3.5. So that 3.5 I'm going to divide it into 2. So you are placing it this way around this side. So you are going to roll it. So here you are going to place the half of your round armhole. Like my customer's armhole is 16 inches divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 will give us 8 inches, and I'm placing 8 inches right here. And I will add 1 inch to quarter inch seam allowance to it. And I want to measure the full length of the sleeve. I want to choose 12 inches, and I'm adding 1 inch for the sewing allowance. I'm going to draw a line here this way and to the allowance side, just like that. And what we are going to do here is to just connect it together this way. So it's a small girl. That's why the arm is very, very small. So our wrist measurement here 13. It's 12 inches. Our wrist measurement is 12 inches divided by 2 is going to give us 6 inches. I'm adding half inch for the sewing. Allowance making 6.5. I'm marking it here. To extend, I want to add allowance to this one. Also, I'm extending it to the dot. Allowance. So what I'm going to do now is to just connect it here. So first I will connect normal measurement together. These are normal measurements, and this is allowance for her. So we are done with it. It's very, very simple to make. So what we are going to do now is to just cut it off. This area you could do straight, yeah, and you could don't mark from this place and just start off from this place. Just come in half an inch and start off this way. Off it like so. Like so. If you want curved one, just off it. If you choose to use this one, is fine. So can you see that it's very, very simple to make? If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next tutorial. Hello.